Hello, according to reports from Reuters, Amazon is reportedly working on a smart home projector that would turn any surface in your home into a screen. This would be the next evolution of Amazon's smart home efforts. An interactive projector where you could touch and move objects on the screen would be great for cooking, cleaning, or other tasks. A screen that could appear in front of you when you need to interact with it would be really useful. It would also cut down on the need for multiple interfaces in a smart home. An example of this kind of projection device would be a small voice-controlled projection device tucked under a kitchen cabinet. Similar devices have already been shown in the kitchen and other smaller rooms. Bosch showed off a kitchen projector at CES 2019 that uses its MEMS-based projection technology similar to Amazon's rumored device. The combination of a projection device and touchscreen projector opens up even more possibilities. According to Janko Roages, head of product. Thanks for watching. If you enjoy short news like this, please consider subscribing to my channel. Until next time.